Most $1 deals online are either junk or just upsell traps. So when I saw this $1 Bonanza Bundle, I didn't trust it. But I still bought it, tested it, and in this video, I'll show you exactly what you get, what you can actually do with it, and if it's worth even that $1. Check the link in the description if you want to see it while watching. If you're trying to make money online right now, you've probably faced this. Expensive courses you can't afford, no products to sell, confusing affiliate systems, no idea how to build a funnel, and worst part, you don't even know where to start. What most beginners want is simple. A low-cost way to start ready-made products, something they can resell or promote, and a simple path to their first online income. That's exactly what this bundle claims to offer. So this is the $1 Bonanza Bundle. It's basically a collection of digital products you can access for just $1. According to the sales page, it includes multiple digital products, resell or usage rights on some items, tools or guides related to making money online. But the real question is it actually useful, or just filler content? After getting access, here's what I found. A mix of ebooks, guides, and tools. Some products focused on affiliate marketing, some focused on traffic generation, some basic make money online training. Now here's the honest part. Not everything inside is high quality, some content is beginner level, but a few resources are actually useful, especially if you're just starting out. Here's how you can realistically use this bundle. Option 1. Lead magnet strategy. Take 1 to 2 decent products, right pointing arrow, offer them for free, right pointing arrow, build your email list. Option 2. Bonus stacking. Use these products as bonuses when promoting other offers. Option 3. Learning base. Go through the content, right pointing arrow, understand basics, right pointing arrow, apply with better tools later. This is where the real value is, not in selling these products directly, but in using them strategically. If used correctly, this bundle can help you understand how digital products work, get content to offer your audience, start building your email list, learn basic affiliate marketing concepts. But again, this is a starting point, not a complete business. Let's be real. Some content feels outdated. Not all products are high value. You won't make money just by buying it. Requires effort and strategy, so if you're expecting instant results, this is not for you. Price: $1. There may be upsells inside, which is common on Warrior Plus. My advice: only upgrade if you see clear value. Compared to other bundles, cheaper than most, less polished than premium courses, but decent for entry-level exposure. Think of it like a starter kit, not a full system. Buy if you're a beginner, you want cheap digital assets, you plan to use it for lead generation. Skip if you want advanced training, you expect done-for-you income, you hate sorting through content. So here's my honest verdict. For $1, it's not a bad deal. But the real value depends on how you use it. If you treat it like a business tool, right pointing arrow, it can help. If you expect magic right pointing arrow, it won't. Check the link in the description if you want to test it yourself.